Hey, if you're a cleaning business owner and you've ever wondered, why is marketing so expensive? Or maybe, what can I do to make it more affordable? You're in the right place. Today, I'm breaking down what increases the cost of marketing for your cleaning business and what can actually bring that cost down. Let's dive in. Just like you charge more for a full house deep clean versus a quick touch-up, marketing works the same way. The more services you ask the agency to do, Google ads, Facebook ads, SEO, blogs, emails, the higher the price. But here's the thing, at 5 Door Media, we bundle services so that the more you do with us, the more cost efficient it becomes, just like offering recurring discounts in your cleaning packages. Another big cost factor, your ad budget. That's what you pay platforms like Google or Facebook to show your ads. If you're in a big city or need a high volume of leads, you'll need a larger budget, but smart targeting and high converting landing pages can reduce what you pay per lead, so strategy matters. Custom marketing means ads, content, and strategy built just for your cleaning company can cost more upfront, but it usually performs better. Templated marketing might be cheaper, but you risk blending in with every other company running the same message that usually leads to higher cost per leads over time. Next, how long you commit matters. A 12-month agreement usually gets you best pricing, but if you're in for only maybe 3 months, expect to pay a little bit more. That's because the agency is front-loading strategy and setup work in a shorter window. Working with a marketing agency that specializes in cleaning businesses, like we do at 5 Door Media, might cost more, but we've already tested what works. That saves you time and wasted budget and gets you results faster. At the end of the day, don't just look at the price of marketing, look at the return. What's going to bring you leads consistently and grow your business sustainably? If you're not sure where your dollars are going or want marketing that can maybe help you go further, schedule a free strategy call with our team at 5 Door Media. Thanks for watching, and remember, just like cleaning, great marketing is all about consistency, quality, and strategy.